Hey guys, so I finally got around to fixing my Vland taillights. For my model of 2013, it doesn't have any LEDs in it, so I believe the issue is when I put it in reverse, the taillights only come on for about 2 seconds, sorry, the reverse lights. So that fix was to add a 50 watt 6 ohm resistor onto the reverse wires in parallel, which seems to have solved my problem. I was a little worried at first. I only did one side and it was still having the same issue, but I guess the computer wants to see some resistance on that entire circuit, which leads it to believe that it is still regular bulbs in there and not LEDs. And it seems to fix the issue no problem. So just remember, these resistors do get hot. For this application, it will only be when the car's in reverse. So I did fasten it to the metal of the trunk, where there will be no contact when I put any of the wires back in there, and also putting this back on will not contact it. There's quite a big gap around the light section there. So yeah, let me show you guys here. Go ahead, put it in reverse. Yeah, baby. As you can see, they're staying on a lot longer than the 2 seconds I was getting out of it before, which was impossible to back up at night. Can't see fuck all. So yeah, they're working now. Super happy. Hell yeah.